Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another amazing video which shares with you critical astrology, Vastu, and numerology principles to avoid poverty, bad luck, and failure. Friends, I started the channel, The Ancients, on 3rd February 2021 to share with all of you the principles of astrology, numerology, and Vastu to ensure good health, prosperity, and success for you and your family. Plants and trees, which we plant around our home and offices, play a critical part in ensuring prosperity, health, and luck in our day to day affairs. I have already shared with you on an earlier video plants that invite good luck, health, and prosperity into your homes and office. Today, I'll be sharing with you trees and plants which you should avoid planting at your home and offices to ensure that you avoid bad luck, failures, and poverty from coming into your personal and business affairs. Let's start. The first variety of trees which you have to avoid totally at your residence and office are cactus and other thorny plants. The only exception to this being the rose plant. Thorny plants create negativity and enhance fights and disputes between the couples and partners. Second, always avoid planting mehendi trees at your residence and offices. The mehendi tree is supposed to be associated with negative energies. The third plant is the imli tree. This also has negative energies associated with it. Avoid it at all cost at your residence and business premises. Bonsai plants. Do not keep them inside your homes and business premises. You can keep them in the garden or in open spaces. Keeping them inside the home or business premises stunts the growth of the children or the business. Dead plants, dead leaves, dead flowers, move them out of your homes and business premises immediately. They enhance negativity. Thorny plants such as barbul trees create disputes. Ensure that you do not plant thorny trees and plants at your residence. Cotton plant, avoid this at both homes and business premises. Plants oozing gum, avoid them at your home and business premises. They are prohibited as per Vastu. Do not keep tall trees and big trees in the north and east or northeast of your home. They obstruct the flow of positive energy. Instead, tall trees should be planted on the southwest corner of your residence or business premises. They stabilize the finances. They bring stability. Therefore, plant all the tall trees only at the southwest corner to enhance your stability in life and finances, and avoid all tall trees and big trees in the north, northeast, and eastern corners to allow free flow of positive energy into your home and business. Another major trend which is being observed nowadays are fake plants and flowers at homes and residences. Throw these out of your residence and offices immediately. They bring no benefit. In fact, they bring in negativity collect dust, and bring in depression. Avoid fake plants made of plastic, fake flowers at all costs. Ensuring that these plants are moved out of your residence and premises immediately, and you follow the rules and guidance which I have given to you, you can ensure that you avoid poverty, bad luck, and failure, and that you invite prosperity, good health, and success into your homes and into your business. Friends, I have been sharing Vastu, numerology, and astrology principles with you for your health, wealth, and success. I request you once again to please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also hitting the bell icon so that you get every video which I release for you. In addition, please also do share these videos with your friends and family. When you share these videos with your friends and family, they too are benefited, and the good karma of sharing these videos, which bring good outcomes, is brought upon you. It's very critical in these times which we are undergoing. Mankind is facing its biggest battle against the infamous COVID 19 virus. It is at such times that those of us who are relatively unaffected by this virus need to reach out and support those people who have either suffered economically or medically. Please do check out in your neighborhood who needs your support. Become a COVID warrior. Help mankind overcome the effects of this infamous COVID 19 virus. Help someone in your community who needs your help. I am a very strong proponent of this principle of difference to one. We need to stand up, be counted, and make a difference to one person in our community. The act of your kindness will go a long way in mankind defeating the infamous COVID 19 virus. While you are making a difference to someone, it's critically important that you also remain safe. Please follow the government norms, wear a mask at all points of time, avoid going out unless absolutely necessary, avoid crowded places, maintain a safe distance of minimum 6 feet whenever you are interacting with people, ensure you wash your hands with a sanitizer which contains 70% alcohol. Ensure that you do not touch the triangle of life, that is the eyes, nose, and throat, with unsanitized hands. And ensure that you always stay away from other people when you are displaying any symptoms such as cough, cold, fever, loss of smell. It is very critical that you take care of yourself and you also take care of your community. Friends, till we meet again with another awe-inspiring video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Good luck, all the best, do take care, and most important of all, stay safe.